Traders, Zellman here. It's August 27, 2018. It's after the market close. It's a Monday. Going to provide another trading report on NSSR, nano sensors, which is now taken over by Green Zebra. Let's take it away. We've been watching her for quite a while, and I just want to point out to you, the news that came out twice. They both tested around the penny mark before they went down. But you guys got to take a look at the bigger picture, okay? So what we have here is a long head, right? We've got one shoulder here, we've got one shoulder here, we've got two shoulders here, developing of the second shoulder. My honest belief is what she's going to do is going to trade anywhere from, I want to say, maximum 10 trading days from now. I want to say maximum. 10 trading days or less, I believe she will pop and break over a penny and do and maybe even show something higher. 10 trading days or less. This is my honest belief. Let's see what happens moving forward. I still like her. I know there's more news that's going to come out weekly for NNSR, Green Zebra. The company stated that themselves. But aside from that, I'm actually looking at the technical patterns. I'm a chartist. I look at time frame trading. I look at, technical indicators, everything of that nature. It's a language. I'm reading the language, and I'm trying to put the picture together so I can understand the language. And when I understand the language and I see what's going to happen, I try to share what I believe the picture will come, what will become of it. Trading is like a puzzle, okay? Let's say it's a 1,000-piece puzzle. And when you put the little pieces together, you get little images of the picture of what it should look like. So that's what trading is, and it's a language similar to it. It's a puzzle that you put together, and you get a better picture of what the puzzle wants to do. According to NNSR's puzzle, it looks like it wants to trade, I want to say a maximum of 10 trading days from now. Sometime within that time frame, she should explode. So let's see what happens. Remember, if you want to follow me, you can follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. You can also take a live trading course with me and learn the trading language. It's a language like any other. You just need to understand it. Visit my site, thetradingteacher.com, and go into my live trading course section for more details.